Welcome to Days Inn by Wyndham, San Antonio Southeast by AT&T Center. We are conveniently located off I-410 near the Freeman Coliseum and only 6 miles from downtown San Antonio and its River Walk. The San Antonio International Airport is about 12 miles away. Our hotel ensures that you will be comfortable and relaxed during your stay. The hotel offers spacious hotel rooms with balconies and amenities like air conditioning, tea and coffee maker, Wi-Fi, daily housekeeping, and comfy beds with hair dryers. People searching for San Antonio Station often choose Days Inn by Wyndham San Antonio Southeast by AT&T Center. Travelers of all types will appreciate this hotel. Downtown San Antonio, Freeman Coliseum, Riverwalk, San Antonio Missions National Historical Park, San Antonio Zoo, and Six Flags Fiesta Texas are some of the other local attractions. We welcome you to stay with us for one night or for a number of nights. Visit us at www.daysinsoutheastatcenter.com.